because it's too low. The duct is too low. 48 right now, right? So that's lane.